She fell out of the pyramid and broke her arm.
Did her parents sign the parental consent release from liberty and indemnity?
Yes, they did.
You are about ready to enter the courtroom of Judge Jimbo. The people are real, the cases are real, the rulings are final. This is Judge Jimbo. Marav Sharon and her father are suing the city of Newton for alleging negligence and the negligent hiring and retention of the cheerleading coach.
Hello, Judge's case number is 886 on the matter of Sharon versus Newton. Everyone has been sworn in, Judge. You may be seated.
Thank you. Miss Sharon, on the cheerleading squad 3 to 4 years ago, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Did you injure yourself during the stunt?
Yeah.
Just,
We were doing-
just answer my question.
Yes, sir.
It says here you got surgery on your left arm. Compound fracture, broken. What was
Yes, it was.
it? And now you're suing the city of Newton for the money damages resulting from your injury?
Yes, I am.
Interesting. Tell me, what does compound fracture mean?
A fracture in which a bone is sticking through my skin,
Yeah,
also known
that's
as an open fracture.
Bet you practiced saying that before coming here today. And you are the school's athletic leader. Ain't that correct?
Yes, sir.
Al. All right. And who do you have with you over there?
This is the cheerleading coach for Newton High School.
Lovely. And it says here that you had a contract given out to athletes and parents.
Parental
What is
consent
it?
release and liability form and
Do you
indemnity.
have a copy with you?
Yes, sir.
Give it to me. Oh.
No, this is there.
Thank you. Yes. So,
Now go in.
can Miss Sharon come up to the stand? It says here, Miss Sharon, that any injuries that happened while your child was at or participating in a school event, not the fault of Newton Town.
Yes, it is. But
Hold up your hand like I told your daughter to. Now answer my questions with a yes or a no. You will respect me, yes or no answers, unless I tell you otherwise.
yes, sir.
In the back here, the release is asking for your information regarding MERS address, date of birth, health insurance provider, emergency contact, and provided the opportunity for them to purchase student accident insurance through the school. Did you sign that shit?
I don't know, sir.
Bring me the papers, bitch. Alright. You signed the release, but it looks here like you opted out of that. You could have got insurance money for the damages done, but instead you're suing.
Yes, sir.
Coach, please take a stand. Coach McKenzie, you have the contract to Miss Sharon.
After tryouts, I gave it to every girl on the team.
And you gave them how long to give it back?
A week and a half, the second practice after tryouts.
So that gives the Sharon family to look it over and understand it before signing it and returning it.
Correct.
Thank you, Mackenzie. You may be seated. Mrs. and Mr. Sharon, you do realize what this contract states, don't you? You are waiving the right to make claims against this by signing it.
The waiver was made under duress. I would have
Do
been.
you even know what duress means, Mrs. Sharon? You're willing to go through this whole process because you wanted to cheer. How long have you been cheerleading?
This is my 4th season in high
So
school.
you cheered for a long time. Has there been an injury in the past?
Yeah, but
Then you should have known better. There is no guarantee of your safety. You were doing what stunt?
we were in a pyramid when I fell.
This was 3 to 4 years ago. Why are you suing after all this time has passed? Can't afford all the damages with your arm when you could have clearly gotten the school insurance to help pay the damages?
I turned 18.
I don't care what you just turned. You are simply trying to scam the money out of the school when they clearly haven't neglected your injury. You were just too stupid and only thought of cheering. And Mr. Sharon, why would you sign something without understanding the waiver?
I don't.
You weren't.
I don't.
You clearly weren't thinking, were you?
No, sir.
That's what I thought. You're a nice family, but your lawsuit is really not well thought out. I hereby state that the waiver was clearly labeled and a reasonable person would have understood what they were signing. It is not the city of Newton's fault you didn't understand what the contract was before signing it. Next time, read. Idiot.
Actually happened was Sharon did not completely read the contract in which she did not understand the whole thing.
In this case, Sharon could not sue. The appeal court found the waiver was clearly liable and a reasonable person would have understood what they were signing.
The court found that the voluntary activities, like cheerleading, it's a take it or leave it situation. There is no duress. No one forced Sharon to sign these contracts against her will.
2, 1, go. Wait.
Time out. I'm not supposed to.
Oh my God.
Wait, no, you guys.
Okay.
Yes, it is, but.
Nope.
Yes, it is, but.
Need a release form.
Yeah, that doesn't even show up on camera.
What actually happened was Sharon did not completely read the contract in which she did not understand.
Yeah. You take a video or a photo on the
Do not take a picture.